Going on, guys? Dan Roman, your Alberta NBC Realtor. Are you guys looking to kill some time? Are you in the market for an apartment? Well, I'm in Calgary. Let's take a look. Open houses tomorrow, Sunday. All right, guys. So, what we're looking at is right here in the purple where it says open April 30th. I'm going to scroll through them. The other ones, they already had their open house or they currently have them today. Today is Saturday. So, these are for tomorrow. If you are interested in any of these places, let me know. I can give you the details for the times and what to expect, things like that. There's a Canyon Meadows one, Mission. There's Crescent Heights, Spruce Cliff. So quite a decent amount of open houses for tomorrow. There's some in Beltline. All right, so that's all the open houses for tomorrow for apartments. If you guys have any questions, I'm just a phone call away. Thank you. Dan Roman, your Alberta NBC Realtor.